Introducing the ADC Advantage Digital Blood Pressure Monitor models 6112 and 6121. These professional-grade upper arm digital blood pressure monitors are designed for home use, providing consistent, dependable results for blood pressure and pulse rate. In this video, we will walk you through getting started, including initial setup, selecting different users, and taking a measurement. Begin by powering your device. Locate the battery compartment on the bottom of the monitor. Remove the cover and insert the 4 included AAA alkaline batteries, ensuring the polarity is correct. Then replace the cover. For model 6121, you may also use a USB-C power cable. Once connected, the external power icon will appear on the display. The device will prompt you to reset the date and time every time you replace the batteries. When the year begins flashing, press the memory button to adjust. Press the date and time button to confirm and move to the next setting. Repeat for month, day, hour, and minutes. Be sure to note AM or PM. These monitors support 2 users, each with their own memory. Press the User button to toggle between User 1 and User 2 before taking a reading. When you turn on the unit to take a reading, it will be set to the most recently used user number. If you share the monitor, make sure to always check this before starting a measurement. Both units take single measurements with a simple single-button start. The 6121 also offers MAM Advantage Average Mode, which automatically takes 3 successive measurements and calculates a single average. To learn more, see the separate video, MAM Advantage Average Mode. To attach the cuff, insert the cuff connector into the port on the left side of the unit. Make sure the cuff connector is fully inserted before taking a reading. Slide the end of the cuff through the D-bar ring to form a loop. Slide the cuff on your bare upper arm about 1 to 2 centimeters above the elbow. Align the red artery marker over the inside of your arm with the tubing pointing downward. Pull the cuff snugly and secure it using the hook and loop fastener. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between the cuff and your arm. Make sure the white triangle falls within the size range markers. Additional cuff sizes can be purchased separately. To take a measurement, place your arm on a flat surface, palm facing upward, and position the middle of the cuff at heart level. Press the on-off button to begin. The cuff will inflate automatically and check for proper fit. Once complete, your blood pressure and pulse appear on screen and are saved automatically. For more tips on performing reliable measurements and additional product support, visit our website at www.adctoday.com/adcathome.